even though we know that the lines of latitude can be used to determine the different climatic zones, like the tropical, temperate, and polar zones, lines of longitude are used to help to determine time. So we're going to be now looking at calculating time using lines of longitude. So with time, we know that the Earth spins on its axis. We know that it's a 360 degrees spinning. So if it takes 24 hours to make a complete rotation, then if we divide 360 by 24, we're going to be left with 15 degrees. So in this case, every 15 degree of line of longitude would be equivalent to 1 hour. And as such, every 1 degree would be equivalent to 4 minutes, because of course 4 times 15, you're going to get back the hour, which would be 60 minutes. Alright? The Earth rotates from west to east. So in this case, places to the east will see the sun first. And in that case, they're always going to be ahead of time, while places to the west, they're going to be behind. So with that principle now, we can now say that for places to the west, if we're going towards a western direction, then we're going to be subtracting time. So the mathematical procedure we use here would be subtraction. For places to the east, if we're going to the eastward section, then it means that we're going to be adding, because they're going to be ahead of time. So let's look at this example here. The time at 0 degrees is 12 noon. What time will it be at place 30 degrees east? So the place at 30 degrees east, what time will it be? The mathematical principle here is that you're going to be dividing 30 by 15, because every 15 degrees equals to 1 hour. So we want to see how much hours we can get out of this. So in this case, we're going to be left with 2 hours. Now, it says 30 degrees east. If we look at this now, we're going to which direction? To the east. And once we're going to the east, we're going to do what with time? We're going to add. So in this case, we're going to add the 2 hours to the 12 noon. So if we add 2 to 12 o'clock, then we're going to be left with 2 p.m. Right? And if we draw up our line diagram, which is quite simple to follow, and to help you stay on track, you can match that up. So you have 0 degrees here, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, 15 degrees again, 30 degrees, and this is the west, and this is the east. And we know that at 0 degrees, it's at what time? It is at 12 o'clock. If it's at 12 noon here, then if we go towards 30 degrees east, you know that you're going to add, going to the east, so you add 1, 2. So it will be 2, so this will be 1 p.m., then 2 p.m.